What's going on, YouTubers? It is Friday. We got a little update for you for week 8. We're building this portfolio. You're along for the ride while we grow this thing to 100K. Top performer for the week, LFGY, Let's Effin' Go, came in at 61%. Our lowest performer, XDTE, came in at 22%. 22% still pretty good. If I'm not mistaken, that matches or beats the S&P so far this year. Our overall return for the week was 34% distribution. Let's take a look at some of the results. Yahoo is keeping up. The dividends dropped in this morning. As you all know, the date is always off by 1 day, which is kind of weird. So QQQY, this one came in at 33% distribution, giving us $4.16. Next one up, WDTE. This one came in at 31% distribution, giving us $3.78. IWMY came in at 46% distribution this week, adding $5.38 to the account. XDTE, this was our low performer at 22%. Lame. Did give us $1.54. Which one's next? QDTE. Excuse me. This one came in at 31% distribution, giving us $1.97. RDTE. This one came in at 25% distribution, giving us $1.62 this morning. Next one up, YBTC. Bitcoin has been going nowhere for the last 2 months. I mean, pretty much this entire year so far, right? But we did get $1.25, and this one came in at 31% distribution. YMAX came in at 56% distribution. 22 shares got us $4.07. Next one up, YMAG. YMAG came in at 39% distribution, giving us $2.88. Our top performer, Let's Effin' Go, came in at 61% distribution, giving us $3.44. Last but not least, GPTY. This one came in at 34% distribution, giving us $1.63. So with the $32 we bought, normally the top performer for the week, but we didn't have enough money to buy LFGY, so runner up, YMAX. We added 2 shares of YMAX this morning. I did change the colors for the 3 categories that we're going to be comparing starting March 1st. I should have some money in it beginning of the month, end of the month, whichever you want to see it, so I can add 2 more tickers to cover, actually 3 tickers. Well, 2 are out right now. The third one might hit the street next week, so 3 more tickers from YMAX that cover the Nasdaq 100, the S&P 500, and the Russell 2000. So we'll be able to compare these 3 companies and see how well all 3 of them do with all 3 of these categories. It should be a little entertaining, if not, to say the least. I think that's all I have for you. Tune in next week. We got a lot more going on for this portfolio. Till next time.